Want to get the max number of players and grow a garden? Here's how you can expand your server and play with more people. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Check game settings for player limits. First, check if the game itself supports a max player limit. Some games like Grow a Garden allow for larger servers, while others have a fixed player limit like 20 or 50 players. Step 2. Use a private server if available. If you want to control the number of players, you might need to buy or set up a private server. Some games allow you to customize the player limit on private servers, letting you invite more players. Step 3. Join a public server with maximum players. Look for public servers that are already set to the max player limit. These servers often allow you to join with a full group of players, making the experience more crowded and fun. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Step 4. Coordinate with friends or communities. If you're having trouble finding a high player server, coordinate with your friends or Discord communities. Many groups host servers with increased player limits for events or just for fun. Step 5. Stay updated for future updates. Game updates may increase the player limit, so keep an eye on any patch notes from Grow a Garden for changes to server capacity or new ways to expand your gameplay. That's how you can get the max number of players in Grow a Garden. Use private servers, join high player public servers, or connect with others. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.